So here I'm trying to create an account in Wonder AI app, and I just started, and then I need to select some prompt, which means text for which I want to create an account. And then I just select AI Painter, for example this one, and then I'm just trying to create. And this is basically the idea. So you select like planets in space, and then you just create this. So that's basically the idea. That's how it's working. And yeah, if you want, then you are offered to sign up to Wonder Pro, which is $4.99 per week, not per month, but it has 3-day free trial, or $39.99 lifetime. And then here you can just again type in prompt, so you can do that, and then you can just choose any abstract painter, something like this, and then you can just use some input image if you like, or you can just tap to create. But again, there are a bit too many ads here, so it's really impossible. Yeah, that's if you read app reviews, you can see that people are actually pretty annoyed with the ads, because after recent update in this app, there are just too many ads, and all the styles are basically limited. And they're just pushing you really hard to upgrade, unfortunately. It just happened like 2 days ago when this video was published. Before that, the app was completely great and all of that. But now it's really going super hard with ads. Otherwise, you just need to upgrade. So there you have it. So now you can recreate, you can modify your prompt, you can see these different styles. You can then just publish it, and publish it means it will be on your profile. So there you have it. That's basically how it works. That's the idea. Yep, so hope that is helpful.